You train your chest, you train your arms, you train your legs. But one overlooked area is quietly ruining your physique: your neck. You can have wide shoulders and abs, but if your neck is weak or thin, your body looks unfinished. And this isn't just visual. A weak neck pulls your head forward, wrecks posture, causes stiffness, headaches, and that heavy feeling by evening. So this isn't a random workout. This is a simple neck strength blueprint built for size, posture, and long-term safety. No weights, no ego, no damage. First, understand this. Your neck isn't one muscle, it's a system. It must handle forward control, backward support, side stability. Train only one and you create imbalance. That's why shrugs don't fix your neck. Now, let's train it correctly. Exercise 1. Isometric neck curl, front thickness. Lie on your back, tuck your chin slightly, place your hands on your forehead. Push your head forward while resisting with your hands. Nothing moves. Hold 10 to 15 seconds. Breathe slow. Feel the front and sides light up. Do 3 sets. Control beats force. Exercise 2. Prone neck extension, posture power. Lie face down. Lift your head and chest slightly. Think long, not cranked. Pause 2 seconds. Lower slow. When stronger, add a 3-second hold. This rebuilds posture and spinal support. 3 sets. Exercise 3. Side neck raise, width and balance. Lie on your side, lift your head until it's parallel to the floor. Lower under control, then raise using only your neck. Do 10 to 12 reps per side, 3 sets. If one side feels weaker, that's the point. How often? Train 2 to 3 times a week, never daily, never rushed. Your neck holds your brain. Respect it. The payoff: better posture, less stiffness, a thicker, stronger looking frame. Because real strength isn't just what you lift, it's what you can control.